Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to just be doing a quick kind of update video just to kind of give you guys an update on how my 1 month braids are doing, how much growth I have so far, and altogether just what different things that I've been doing to just kind of keep my hair moisturized. So I know before I told you guys that I was going to be moisturizing my hair with Sulfur 8 as well as with the scalp paste that I made, but I also wanted to add another thing into the equation. So what I did was I made another separate bottle of kind of like rice water scalp spray, and I'm going to be trying this out on my hair as well, because this is, I feel like, will be a lot better for my hair, since it is like just most overall it's just like water and other ingredients. So if I need to just kind of spray my scalp down, it will be easier for me to do. What I pretty much am doing with this, well, let me go ahead and tell you guys first what I put in it. So first, this is rice water. So it's just rice that was steeped in water for a good amount of time until the starches and things like that came off of the rice into the water. And I also added peppermint oil just to give the tingling sensation on your scalp, and I also added castor oil. So this is a product that you would have to shake up before you use. So this is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see. Hold on. Yeah, this is what the product looks like. Just kind of cloudy. You can see the castor oil at the top. This is probably the castor oil and the peppermint oil, but I shake it up just so that it kind of gets evenly dispersed. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys what I do to oil my scalp. I know my braids are super frizzy. That's neither here nor there. We're just here to figure out what this is gonna do for my hair. So in about another maybe in another 2 weeks, I'm gonna be taking these braids down. But so far I plan on spraying my hair with this every day. So all I'm gonna do is just go, I'm not gonna spray too much because I'm not really able to wash my hair too well right now because they're in braids and I don't want my hair to get matted. So I'm just gonna go in and spray my scalp in between my braids. And this actually smells really good because of the peppermint oil. So it smells really, it just smells fresh and clean. So I'm just gonna try to show you guys. But I'm just gonna spray my scalp down with this. Let me turn to the other side so y'all can get a better picture of what I'm doing. Just, wow, I spray my whole face. I'm gonna just spray and rub it in. Next part. And rub it in. And I don't want to spray too much because, like I said, right now I'm not really trying to do too much washing with my hair, but I'm also gonna spray my ends. But I'm not really trying to do too much washing of my hair because it's in braids, and I don't really want it to get too matted or just, hard to manage. So as you can see, that's about how much I use each go around. But that's pretty much all I do with this right here. Like I said, it does smell really good. It just smells like peppermint oil. So yeah, I'm thinking I should have added a little bit more because I wanted to kind of give off the tingling sensation that you get from like peppermint or menthol or spearmint stuff. So yeah, I'm also thinking about adding lavender to this as well, just to kind of give it a soothing smell, because there's nothing better than things that smell good when you put it in your hair. But this smells good already as is. So, oh shoot, I'm spraying in the wrong direction. So that is pretty much all I am doing right now with my hair. I am going to update you guys, like I said, in another 2 weeks on the braids and how they're holding up and how much hair growth I have. So far I have about half an inch, or it feels like about half an inch of hair growth. But I'm thinking when I spray this on my scalp every day, it'll definitely make a difference in how much growth I am experiencing at the time. So that's the plan for now. And like I said, I did include the ingredients. It is just peppermint oil, castor oil, and rice water. And the rice water was just regular water that was steeped in rice. You can use any type of rice that you want, I'm believing. I'm going to also do a comparison on which rice is the best, because there's a ton of rice. There's black rice, brown rice, jasmine rice. Listen, there's all the rice in the world. Organic rice, what's the difference between organic rice and just the regular rice, store-bought rice? I'm gonna definitely compare all of those for you guys so you can get the best benefit or just get the best overall experience with your rice water. And this spray actually is already kind of making my scalp tingle a little bit, so that actually feels like it's working, like I just sprayed something nourishing for my scalp. So yeah, that's just a quick update for you guys. This is what I just started using, but I have been using the Sulfur 8, but I kind of had to cut back because the smell was kind of making me sick for a little bit, so I just had to kind of cut back on it and just let it, you know, let it breathe and not really use it. But so far, the benefits that I've had from rice water are cool, so we're gonna see if this is going to benefit me even more. And for everybody who is asking for updates on the rice water, this would probably be the best time to tune in just to kind of see what's really going on with the rice water, because I did a rice water video for my hair a few years ago, but I still do have a lot of people who are interested in seeing the direct results of it. So I do plan on spraying this on my hair for the next 2 weeks, or for the remainder amount of time that I'm going to leave these braids in. So if you're interested, definitely keep watching and just stay tuned to this channel to see what other videos are coming. And if you're going to make this rice water, I highly recommend that you keep it refrigerated or keep it chilled, because you don't want it to go bad. This isn't something that has preservatives in it. It is all natural. So I would definitely recommend keeping it refrigerated so that you just can preserve it longer. You don't really want to worry about spraying dirty things in your hair. But also, rice water is, some people use it fermented. I don't do it fermented because I just don't want to deal with the smell of fermented rice water, but everyone is different. Whatever works best for you, you can do that for you. But for me, I don't really choose to use anything that's fermented. I would just rather use the regular rice water and just keep it refrigerated so I don't have to worry about washing it out. But if I was to wash my hair, I probably would try the fermented version of it, but I just use the regular version because it still has the same things in it. But the fermented version is just the ingredients are just aged more, so I'm thinking that's more beneficial. But I'm just not trying to get all up in that fermented life. I'm just trying to stick to this, and I'm gonna show you guys again what it looks like. It's just like a cloudy looking water. You can see all the oil at the top, all the oils at the top, the peppermint oil and the castor oil. So whenever you use it, I would recommend just shaking it up. And these are what my braids look these are what my braids are looking like so far. They are very frizzy. When I tie them down, they're not as frizzy, but like I said, I don't tie my hair down every night or as consistently as I should, but I'm going to start doing that as well. Yeah, this was really just going to be a quick video. I just wanted to kind of update you guys on how my hair is doing, and just update you guys on the fact that I did kind of change the routine a little bit, because the smell of the Sulfur 8 was getting to me. It was too strong. Like before, I could tolerate it a little bit more, but for some reason, it was just making me sick. And like when I would oil my scalp with it, the smell would last for days. So like I was smelling it even a few days after I oiled my scalp, and I just straight up couldn't handle it at the time. I'm probably going to try it again, but so far I think I do want to kind of give this another 2-week notice and just kind of see what it does for my hair, of spraying it on my scalp consistently every day for 2 weeks until it's time for me to take these braids out, and then we're going to all see together if I have retained any growth. So that's just where we're at now. Trying to think about anything else to tell you guys. Oh yeah, I already told you guys how to make it, so you know how to make it as far as this, because the formula that I would make before, it didn't have like peppermint oil and castor oil in it. It was just regular rice water. But if you're gonna make rice water, it's probably beneficial just to add a few more things into it just to benefit your hair even more. Like, why not? So yeah, that's what I did. And let me know down below if you guys have found this video helpful. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update and just show you guys what I'm using for my hair. Usually you guys have a lot of questions about what type of rice I use, and all that. And if you boil it, I don't boil my rice water, I just let it sit, and then I drain the rice out and then put the rice water in the bottle. A lot of people were saying that when you boil the rice water, it does kind of kill the nutrients that's in the rice water, so it's not really as beneficial as if you were to just let it sit and just let the starches and the things that are in the rice to come off in the water. So that's just what I do. Everyone does it different. I'm not sure. I don't think everyone makes the same rice water ingredient stuff. So this is just how I do it. And I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Let me know down below if you have any more questions, comments, concerns about the quality of the rice, or not even the quality of the rice, just about the rice water in general. Like I was saying, if you have been here before and you came to my channel for rice water videos, this would definitely be the time to tune in, because I'm going to be taking these braids out in about 2 more weeks, and that'll pretty much show you guys the amount of growth that I have. And so far, like I said, I think it's about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch of hair growth right now, so that's where we're at. And honestly, I think adding that peppermint oil was like the best thing I could do, because my scalp is tingling. It's not as strong as if I was to oil my scalp with sulfur-8, but I am currently trying to work on something else to put in it that's gonna make it like really tingle, because I do feel it tingling and it feels great. So that's also a plus to adding more ingredients to your rice water. But definitely let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns down below. I want to also thank you guys again so much for watching my channel. Subscribe if you have not already. Hit the notification bell if you have not already. If you want to see more rice water videos, I do have one that I have done before. I have a few that I have done before, and I'll probably tag them in the end of the video, or I'll make a playlist for you guys to find them. This will also be added to that playlist. Definitely stay tuned to see the hair growth of my hair over the next 2 weeks, because this is what I'm going to be using on my scalp. Also, keep it refrigerated. And yes, thank you guys again so much for watching my channel. Questions, comments, concerns, put them down below, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content. So if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.